I'd say, try it, give it a go. If you haven't worked that way before, it's a bit of a leap into the unknown, but it does let you access a different level of reality and truth. And I would say to someone, what have you got to lose? Try it, see where you can go with it. Using this method, you can find things that you would never find through just thinking about the script, thinking about the characters, actually doing whatever you need to do to build this world and this character, actually doing it and finding ways to make it as real as possible for yourself, leads you on a journey where you find things that you would never find just through script analysis. Sometimes some of my work was a bit hit and miss because there were gaps that I didn't quite know how to fill. So I think it's definitely enriched my work. It's become a lot deeper. It's become a lot more real. And also just my consistency of the work I'm producing has increased. I don't know what it's going to be every time that I'm going to deliver to my audience, but I'm just going to deliver whatever's there and trust that, and I've learned how to do that. I've gotten great results. As I said, I've found a new sort of depth and new reality in my work, and the confidence to do things like I did quite a successful film called Nathan Loves Rookie Martin, where I played a disabled character that was nominated for an AFI, won Peninsula Film Festival, nominated for the Dendy Award at Sydney Film Festival, and it was purely the lab and Peter that gave me the confidence to jump in, because I went in character to the audition, and over a 2-year period, the producers of that film never met me out of character, and it was really the lab and Peter that gave me the confidence to do that, and it really paid off. The director said to me that when I came in, it was obvious they were going to cast me, and they said I was doing essentially a performance art piece, and they had to throw everything out and just build a film around that. But it was really the lab and Peter that gave me the confidence to commit 100% to that, and to know my way into that, to make that real and authentic. One thing is it's fun, because there's no end to the work. You can explore things. If you're making a project, you have to pick and choose where you're going to explore, but you're not just narrowly focused on the script. You're exploring the whole world, and you're going on tangents, and it's just kind of magical and fun. And Peter's very good at seeing tangents and chasing them down to wherever they might lead. And they might not work for the project, but they still can be artistically interesting. So that's a lot of fun. One of Peter's skills is often in a scene, he'll try things with you as a coach or a director. He doesn't know where that's going to go, but he's got good instincts that it's going to go somewhere. He can throw things at you that are completely counterintuitive to this, that don't make sense to the scene, but you follow him down that rabbit hole, and the scene can become something that does work for the play in the end, but you found something that you never saw in that scene. It goes somewhere where you, reading the play, never saw that scene going. But again, it does take the actor to let go and just go with it, because, as I said, sometimes it's things that don't make any sense for the scene that go against it, but you try them, and eventually it leads you somewhere to a scene that is legitimately the scene from that play, but it's not something you saw coming when you read it. Give it a go. You never know what you will find, and you'll know one way or the other.